Sit in a comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Observe the breathing. No need to change the rhythm of the breathing. You just observe the breathing. When you are breathing in, the cool air entering through your nostrils, and when you are breathing out, the warm air coming out of your nostrils. Just observe the breathing in and breathing out through the nostrils. With every exhalation, you are getting more and more relaxed. Your body is getting relaxed. Your mind is getting relaxed. Now keep both the feet on the ground so that you are connected to the Mother Earth. Keep your spine straight. Inhale for the count of 4. Hold the breath for the count of 4. Exhale for the count of 4. Again hold for the count of 4. This is one round of breathing. For first few rounds, I'll be saying you just follow. Let us start the breathing process. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue the same cycle of breathing few more times. Inhaling for the count of 4. Holding the breath for the count of 4. Exhaling for the count of 4 and holding the breath for the count of 4. Please continue this few more times. Now by closing your eyes, just relax your body. No need to keep your spine straight, erect. Sit as comfortable as possible. No need to keep the feet on the ground. Whichever is the convenient position, accordingly you can keep your feet and hands and relax. Come back to normal breathing. For any problem you're going through, any kind of difficulty, problem, physical, psychological, relations or abuse, not able to find business partner, or not able to find life partner, or difficulties at workplace, or stress, anxiety, finances, whatever may be the difficulty, any kind of problem you're going through, any kind of heaviness situation you're experiencing, outside is just a reflection of the subconscious memories, and the memories are stored at the cellular level. Now, you just think of the problem or the difficulty you want to clean on, and for that particular problem or difficulty or heaviness, there is some kind of energy in your body. Some energy is in you that is causing that problem, either in the form of energy or memory, some kind of energy somewhere in the body. Now gently start scanning your body, starting from top of the head, going downwards, the entire body, legs until the feet. You just by closing your eyes, scan yourself, observe, and see where is that negative energy in your body. Where is that energy? Take your own time, scan slowly, starting from the top of the head, coming downwards, forehead, backside, back of the skull, facial muscles, face, chin, cheeks. Slowly scan the entire body and see where you feel that energy, whatever may be the color, form, structure, or whatever may be the form you perceive, it doesn't matter. You just say where it is. Do it slowly. Scan the whole body and see that where you feel the presence of that energy which is causing this problem. Once it is done, please let me know in the chat or you can unmute yourself and say.
Srinivas, I see this in the spine, in the back spine.
Low back, middle or upper back? Where do you see? Spine, upper part, middle or lower?
Middle to lower, that area.
Okay. One person found it on back in yellow color. Another person is also on back. Next, feeling pain and back, middle back,
I feel in chest, sir.
chest position. Good. For many of you, it is the first time this scanning. No need to find it so difficult. Do it gently. Once it is done, please let me know through the chat. Those who have found in different parts of the body, where in which part of the body, whichever the part of the body you found it, you just try to see which shape it is, in which shape, which color, and what it is. Whether you're able to see any form, structure, shape, or image, anything. Whether it is that particular energy is trying to communicate to you.
It's like just black stone, sir.
Black stone, chest position.
Yes, sir.
One person left leg, another person left shoulder. When you find this energy, you may experience changes in the body, mind. It is temporary. No need to worry about those things. All of a sudden feeling too cold or feeling too hot or sweating, like this physical and psychological changes you may experience in body and mind, it is just temporary. When you find and acknowledge the presence of this energy, body, mind responds in different ways. That is the reason you experience the changes in the body. Hope everybody is done. Anybody still could not find? Middle back, reddish, heavy energy. Yes. Those who have found this energy in different parts of the body, one person found in leg, shoulder, chest, and back. We just try to see what it is, whether it has any shape, color, form, and how it is, how it looks, and what it is. Vani madam, are you able to find? Yes, you already mentioned. Thank you very much. Silence you have done. Bharat, are you able to find?
No, sir. No, sir. I missed some part. That's why I could not do.
Okay. Only thing you need to do is just close your eyes and scan your body, the entire body. There will be some energy which is replaying as the present issue, the present difficulty, whatever you're experiencing. You just try to find in which part of the body you will find that energy.
Okay.
Kranti, did you find it? Gausilia boy, no shape or color. One person has mentioned there is no shape or color, only tension in stomach area. That is okay. Vasanta, did you find it?
Yes, I did. I
Which
did
part of the
find
body?
it's on the left shoulder. The
left shoulder.
shoulder, the back, the left back shoulder.
Left shoulder, back side. Okay. Another person mentioned the existing pain on my left side. Yes, good. Thank you. Almost everybody found. I'm just checking. Hemaraj Guru, did you find it? Okay, now everybody found it. Now let us see how to clear this energy, how to clean this energy. Just close your eyes and observe your breathing. No need to change the rhythm of the breathing. Just continue breathing as comfortable as possible. Now slowly and comfortably breathe in and slowly, comfortably breathe out. See that the body is relaxed. Now take your attention to that part of the body where you found it. And those who have found it at different parts of the body, just take your attention at one point, first place where you found it. Focus on one thing. If you found it on back, you just see how it is, what is the color, shape, what it is. Whether you're seeing any unknown thing or energy or image, known thing, you just see what you are observing, what you are seeing. And this energy is the root cause of the problem, which now you are experiencing. Now, if you release this energy, you see that outside problem will be rectified. Taking all your attention to that energy, talk to that energy, whatever you're seeing, and say, I am sorry for holding on to you. I am sorry for holding on to you. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am willing to let go. I am willing to release you. I am willing to release you. I am willing to let go of you. I am willing to free you and myself. If you find any kind of resistance to release that energy, you just say to yourself, I am willing to let go. I am willing to release. I am willing to release. Now you just see that that energy is getting out of your body, going out of you, out of the room where you are sitting, from the window or the door, out of the building, deep into the universe or far away. We just say that that energy is coming out of your body. You just send it away from your body, out of the body, out of the room, then out of the building, then deep into the universe, far, far away. There is no need to holding on to this energy which is causing you this heaviness or the problem or difficulty. Now it's time to release, make yourself free, and make your life interesting and beautiful. Once you released, just let me know through the chat. Or you can unmute yourself and tell me whether you have released that energy.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Very good. One more person released. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, Vasanta madam. Who is that? Vani madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. It's great to see that you are releasing the negative energies.
Sir, Srinivas sir, it is
Yes.
the intensity is little less, but it has not gone yet. So should I repeat it again?
Which part of the body you found it?
Sir, it is lower left back, very
Lower
severe
back
sharp.
left side. Okay.
Yes.
It is appearing as a pain or any only energy?
It is a severe pain, severe pain.
Severe pain. Okay. Left side, lower back. Now once again take your attention to that energy and talk to that. I am sorry for holding on to you. I am sorry for holding on to you. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now I am willing to free you. Now I am willing to free myself. from this pain. I am willing to release you. I am willing to release you. Now we just say that energy is coming out of your body, whether from back side or front side, doesn't matter. Coming out of your body and going out of the room where you're sitting, through the window or the door, and then out of the house, the building, far, far away into the deep, into the universe. Universe knows how to take care of the energies. You need not to hold on to these energies and suffer. One person has mentioned in the chart that feeling in the form of heat and not the pain. Just ask yourself if you're fighting to release. What is the fun of holding on to this non-contributing or disturbing negative energy and going through all this suffering? What is that making me to hold on to this energy? What is that I'm resisting to release this negative energy? What is that I'm gaining by holding on to this energy? Many times we hold on to some difficulties or health issues or the problems just to excuse ourselves, to escape ourselves from fulfilling some certain responsibilities. Just let go. What is the fun of holding on to this? The painful and unwanted energies. Just release, see that it is going away. And still, if you're not finding it is moving, just give a strong command. Anybody else released? Either you can mention in the chat or you can unmute yourself and say.
Yes, sir, it is released for me right now. It's
Oh,
magically released.
yes, you're a revolution. No? Your name itself is revolution.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Gratitude.
Really great. Anybody else still not able to release?
It is less, but it is still there, I feel.
Okay, it's okay. Anybody want some more time to release? If you're finding it difficult, please let me know. One person mentioned as still trying to. Okay. As long as you're holding on to this energy as the pain, it is only causing you pain in different forms, physical, psychological, any other form. It is only causing you pain, no other gain. So it's time to let go, time to release. I say, I am willing to release. I am willing to release. I am willing to let go. I am willing to let go. When you're releasing, you may see that it is changing the shape or the color, form. Whatever the form, color, shape, structure it is changing in the image. Just see that is you are throwing away from your body. It is time to throw it away. And whatever the pain you have gone through because of this, that is enough. And today is a new day, new beginning. Let us say goodbye to all the pain, sufferings. Let us create our life. Let us be willing to create the life you want to choose. And choose the life you want. Choose the life you wish to have. Peaceful, blissful, healthy, loving, wealthy, happy life. Everybody done? Still anybody still trying or not able to release? If you are finding this energy in the form of pain in the body, you gently touch that part of the body with your palms and say, thank you, I love you, to that part of the body. For example, if you are finding pain in the shoulder, you just gently touch that part and say, thank you, I love you, thank you, I love you, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Gently touching that part of the body where you have pain, say, I am sorry for all the accumulated memories stored in me that are causing this pain. Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of all the accumulated memories which are causing this pain. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for not acknowledging your contribution. I am sorry for not acknowledging your contribution. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now you see that that is disappearing with a lightning fast, lightning speed. It's okay. Yes, now hope all of you are released. Anybody still trying or anybody still not able to release? Few mentioned in the chart and few told me there is no shape or color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sharmila madam done? Have you released? Neeru Segal done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yes. Now we release the energy. Now let us release the impact or any appendages of that energy. By closing your eyes, just see that the divine energy is entering your body through your crown chakra. It is from the top of your head. This divine energy is entering your body in the form of white light or blue light, entering through your crown chakra and passing downwards in your body, head, neck, throat, body, hands, thighs, legs, till the toes of the feet. This is the healing energy from the divine energy in the form of white light. It is filling each and every cell of the body. The entire body is filled with this white light. This energy is surrounding you within the body and outside the body. You're totally immersed in this white light, divine light. It's only the white light, nothing else. Entire body, aura, surroundings, whole thing is occupied by this white light, the divine energy. This energy is soothing, and this is the healing energy. And this is the light which releases all the negativity, toxins, memories, pain, stress, tension, and all the negative stuff from your body, mind, space, aura. You are surrounded within and outside, surrounded by this white light, the divine energy. This is cleaning all the negativity, all the toxins from your body. It is soothing, cool, comfortable, relaxed, and blissful. Be in that blissful state, the divine energy, some more time. Be there and be blissful and enjoy this peace, bliss. Once it is done, you can open your eyes.